Hi guys, today we will see how to block websites on Safari on Mac. Before we get started, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe and like the video. Thanks. Okay, the first step is to go to our desktop. Then we'll click here on the Apple icon. Now scroll down and click on Screen Time. Scroll down, click on Content and Privacy. Check the box. Click on Content Restrictions. Here, in Access to Web Content, we will change the option to Limit Adult Websites. Now, click on Customize. Here, we will have two options, allowed and restricted. In case we want to restrict some web, we click on the plus symbol, and here we place the URL of the web page. For example, if I want to prohibit ChatGPT, what I have to do is to give the URL of ChatGPT. In this case, it would be www.chatgpt.com. Once finished, we click on Done. Now, let's verify if this method worked correctly. First, we will go to Safari. And now we will look for the website that we banned earlier in the configuration. And as you can see, it worked correctly. If the video was useful, you will help me a lot by subscribing and liking. If you have any questions, leave me a comment. Thanks.